Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to solve the problem of the kinematic leg bend. So as you can see from the video, you see that the way the legs bend, they are the opposite direction that we want them to bend. And you see here this the yellow marking which shows what leg we want to bend. So what we want to do is to press J and to rotate the leg until you get the direction you want. So it's the opposite direction, as you can see. And now you see how the leg bends the way we want it to bend. Now as you can see, we will do it again on the other leg, but don't press R, press J. As you can see, it bends the way we want, and we will put it back. So this is how you solve the bending problem of kinematic bones.